Have you heard of Game & Watch? You know, the little tiny gaming system from the 80s? Well, I want to share a brand new one with you today. Welcome to Techie Housewife. My name is Amy Vishwanatha, and let's get right into this because I want to unbox this for you. First, I'm going to give a little background of why these little systems came out again. The Game & Watch isn't as big or as well known as Nintendo's other systems like NES, SNES, and so on. But it was the first system that featured the plus-shaped directional pad, which released on the 1982 version of the Donkey Kong Game & Watch. I don't know about you, but I'm really happy that they did that. That's one of my favorite features of the controllers. Over the last couple years, Nintendo has done some re-releases of the classic console games, such as NES Classic and SNES. Now, these little miniature classic gaming systems came out with quite a few games on them, like dozens of games on them each. And they also came with the original shaped controllers. Now, it's Game & Watch's turn to soak up some of that spotlight. So Nintendo celebrated the 40th year anniversary of the classic Game & Watch by releasing a brand new Game & Watch yesterday. This is released for a limited time. It retails for $49.99. Since yesterday was the release date, we made our way to the nearest place where we could pick one up, and I bought myself a Game & Watch. They were selling out online, and there were only limited numbers in stores. So I thought if I really want to grab one and unbox it for everybody as soon as it comes out, I needed to get to the store and pick it up right away. But again, this is normal for us. I did grab the SNES and the NES Classics when they came out as well. We did make it to the GameStop just a few minutes before they closed. I went in, smooth transaction, got my Game & Watch, talked to the girl for a few minutes because she was really excited about her PS5, which we didn't get one of those. I don't think hardly anybody did. But anyway, the girl did tell me they only had 3 left, so that probably won't last long in that store. But you don't need to worry. You don't need to rush because Nintendo plans on continually shipping these to stores until March 21st of 2021, or while supplies last. This is something I really want to share with you guys, so I'm going to get on with the unboxing. Game & Watch is super nostalgic for those who grew up in the 80s. This is a time where gaming consoles were evolving and becoming more mainstream. They were still kind of new, but they were also more in demand, just slightly more in demand. We were the make it or break it generation, I guess. Can you imagine if Nintendo completely bombed and went out of business? Or consoles totally flopped? You all should really thank us 80s kids. So, let me start to open this. They have it attached to the plastic as well. That's good, so it doesn't fly out. Safety first, close your knives. Okay, so let's take a look. Wow, I never realized how decorative that plastic was. So it kind of made it look really cool. Okay, here is the Game & Watch box. It's really so classic looking. Taking the first look at this, I feel like it looks really close to the Game & Watch Lion and the version where Mario juggles balls. This one is actually called Super Mario Brothers. And that makes a lot of sense because there are 3 games on this and 2 happen to be Super Mario Brothers 1 and 2. Okay, so let's take this out. That's really in there tight, but that's good, right? Good packaging. Oh, you know what? I wonder if it's charged. There's the USB cable for charging. Okay, well, else do we have in here? Okay, and here's a closer look at the back. It just shows you the games, and here's some interesting information. It is called the Game & Watch, right? Game, of course, for the games on it. But did you know it's actually called a watch because it does just display the time? I know there's some people who did not know that, so I thought I would let you all know. This is just a user guide, and I'll take a look at that later. And the cord I'll set aside. And here we go. This is the absolute moment of truth. It's the reveal. I'm so dramatic. Okay. Ready? Should I do this in slow motion? Oh, look at that. So, a few years back, we actually bought a pillow that had the similar look to this. It was really cool. Okay, let me see. There should be. Okay. Right here, you'll see this is the power button. This is the charging port. And it looks like it must be a USB-C port. And I'm not sure what that side is for. I'll put it in the video when I find out what that is. I'll put it on the side there. Okay, I'm going to hit the power button. Let's see how fast it powers on. Wow, that was like instant. Press time button. Okay, I have to see what time it is. 9:18. Okay. So time button must be like the start. Let's set the time. I know I'm going backwards. I figured it'd be easier to get to 9 o'clock that way, 9 p.m. that way. Okay, 9. We'll put 19. There we go. The display is very pretty. And I can clearly see everything that's happening on her, which I'm really surprised. I thought it would be a little harder to see. I'm going to put 20 in there now. Okay, so we got that done. And I want to go to, I'm just actually curious. You can really see this well at other angles. I don't know if you're seeing that on a screen. Tilting it. Wow. Even tilting it this far, I can clearly, except right here, of course I'm not going to be playing it that way, I can still see the Mario Brothers logos, but I can't see the background. But most angles I could see it really clearly. So the screen does look pretty vibrant for such a small screen. Okay, let's play a game. Okay, Super Mario Brothers, 1 player. Okay. Oh, I love it. Okay, it's been a while. Mommy! Haha. Yeah, and I told my husband bought one of these as well, but he wants to just keep it for the sake of having it. He's not opening it. And I told him I'm going to be taking this with me and playing this everywhere I go. Especially doctor's offices. It seems like you have to wait forever when you go to a chiropractor or dentist or something. Oh, I want that. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Okay. Wee-haw! Wee! I want to see how fast I can get through now. No! Okay. This is really easy to play. And it's fun. I love it. Come on, get over there. Get over there. Come on. I didn't make it to the top, but hey. Okay, I really like it. This will be going in my purse. Aha, that was easy. Okay, so when you just want to go to a different game, you hit pause, you hit game, then you can select the next game, and I'm going to play ball. I've never played this before, so this is an original. So I forgot to mention that Super Mario Bros. 2 was not released in the US. It was eventually released as the Lost Levels. So I'm selecting that one. I've never played this. First time. Let's see what we do. I don't know. Okay, do I catch the ball? Okay. So you select left and right. You move his arms as the ball comes. And I believe it's supposed to get, from what I read, it's supposed to get faster and faster. I missed it, but it's really cute. So yes, the idea of that is you're juggling the balls. You start out with 2 balls. It's really slow. And then as you go on, it gets faster and faster. So that was pretty cool. And let me just go back. I want to show you the Lost Levels, Mario Brothers 2. Okay. I like it already. Oh, boogers. There's gotta be, yes, I was gonna say there's gotta be. Oh, those little shroom dudes kill you. They're just little innocent looking shrooms. Okay. Oh, get out of there. Come here, come to me. There we go. We'll get it first. I wonder if... Okay, so I'm a little slow, I guess. That mushroom killed me. It wasn't the shroom. I mean, it was a shroom, but it wasn't the little shroom. Can I go down there? Okay, I think this will be fun to learn for the first time. So basically that's it. For the aesthetics, I think it looks really good. Looks very classic. It's very nostalgic to look at and play with. And the D-pad works great. The buttons, they are great. I think everything works a lot better than I thought it would. I don't know why. I thought it would feel a lot cheaper, I guess. But it's really well put together, well made. The screen is very pretty, vibrant. I can clearly see it. And I heard, but I'm not positive that it's true, it's supposed to be done at the same resolution as they originally were. So that's really cool. So people have actually been complaining that there are only 3 games on here. And I've heard people say, when we know, and we've seen with the SNES and the NES Classic, we know that you can add so many games on such a small device. Why did you not do this? And my question is, why would you do it? This is supposed to be such a nostalgic, super cool thing. Okay, it's supposed to be like the original. We don't need to overdo all the classics with tons of extra games. The true nostalgia is when it's actually like the original. And the look and the feel and the function is just that, nostalgic. It's super easy to play. The buttons are great. And one cool thing here, this is the Game & Watch. And like I told you, you can just leave it on the screen and it becomes a watch. Actually a clock, but the whole concept is it's a watch. And like I said, it's easy to control, very easy to play, and is very compact, and it is coming with me wherever I go. To give you an idea of how compact it really is, my hands are very small. That's how big it is. It just fits in my palm. And so that actually makes it perfect to take on the go. You can even shove this in your pocket. It's so thin. It's smaller than a phone. So would I recommend this to anybody? Yes, I definitely think if you have a chance, the opportunity to go grab one, just do it. Especially if you're one of the 80s kids that used to play all these games. You will truly love it. That is all for today. If you have any questions, you have any comments, or if there's something about this you know that I don't or I didn't mention, I maybe forgot to mention, please put them in the comments below. I would really like to see that. And also, if you've enjoyed what you've seen today, please hit like and subscribe. You can also hit the little bell icon and you will be notified as soon as something else is uploaded. Something really cute about this little gaming system is that if you let it sit long enough, it will go to sleep, and it has such a cute sleep screen. It's actually Mario. Look at all these little things that are happening, but sorry, shiny. Anyway, it's actually a little sleep screen of Mario, and it's adorable. So that's all for today. You guys have a game-tastic day.